Lae MP and the Minister for Lands and Fiscal Planning, John Rosso, also announced yesterday that all the Boai markets would be closed, except for the Lae market and the community markets that sell vegetables and food crops. Rosso said there will also be COVID-19 preventive measures set up in the markets for the vendors and the public to use.
The Lae City Authority will be implementing hand washing methods, working in conjunction with the Morobe Health Authority, lo teaching more mama lo hand washing methods na keep him all yet sanitation blow clean while we give you regular updates. We will be monitoring the situation every day. Every day we'll be monitoring the situation, and the Morobe Health are in close consultation with the good governor and myself. And if anything transpires within the period of that, we will come out to the press and make the appropriate restrictions and recommendations.
He also announced that schools in the city would be open until there's a confirmed local case of COVID-19.
If we hear of any suspected case that might come into Lae, affecting our local population, we will immediately shut down our schools. At this point in time, we have yet to confirm a suspected case from our local population, so the schools will be open, but we'll be monitoring them day to day. As soon as anything happens, we will ensure that our schools are shut down.
These bans follow the orders issued by the Health Minister in a gazettal issued on Friday, stopping gatherings of over 100 people and other large gatherings. This comes into effect on Monday and will continue for 7 days.
By national government decree that there's been gazetted that crowds over 100 people are not to congregate. So that means that churches, we try to keep them under 100 people. So you play a lotu or crowd one, we should keep them below 100 people. Otherwise, the police will have to disperse crowds that have built up. Big plus something. Big plus something is for your own safety. These are all preventative measures. It's not alarmist. It's not to walk in Mubla panic.
After the gazettal was issued, PM James Marape announced the country's first COVID-19 case. It was of a 45-year-old expatriate who came through Singapore from Madrid, Barcelona and Istanbul before coming to Lae from Port Moresby on the 13th of March. The Lae MP also announced yesterday that the foreign mine worker who has been in isolation in Lae was lifted to Australia last night.
Now this one suspected case am start now lo Morobe and mipla make sense that mania suspect containment. So I'm not going to spread him this disease, but mania recover finish. Now as me talk now tonight, he will be out of the country. So what is being evacuated out for reasons that us, the people, would like him out of the country as soon as possible, and also for his own safety, that is to be flown out of the country tonight as we speak. So we're taking every possible step to mitigate the situation.
Rosso has also urged people not to panic or threaten people suspected of carrying the virus. He has also warned of panic buying and warned shops not to increase their prices during this crisis.
Mila toksawe lo community o semyupla no kan panic buy too much. Online lo commercial side lo store too. I am asking that the shops do not take advantage of the crisis to have your prices gone up. Mila appeal to the shops, please keep your prices where they are. It is a time not to think so much of profits than for your other mankind. You should not be thinking of profits at this time.
Julie Badui, OA, National Emtv News, Lae.